Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to customize your HUD in Ashes of Creation. To customize your HUD, first open the main menu. Do so by pressing the escape key or the corresponding button on your controller. Or press this button right here. From there, go to HUD Editor. Here in HUD Editor, you can save and load the layout or reset the HUD to defaults. You can choose to show the grid or to change its size. I'll go with, I don't know, 50 grid. I don't care, honestly. You can always choose to. You can enter those values with your keyboard, so that's not a problem. And you can choose to snap the windows to the grid. I'll leave it off. As you can see, you can manually drag every window right here. And of course, once you're done, for example, I don't know, drag my group looped indicator right here, and I want to save it like that. I'll simply press escape and then confirm. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.